everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be planning for Monday, January 9th in my A5 Erin Condren Daily Duo. So this week, I am going to be using this sticker kit by Revere Planning. This is the kit code, and this is turtle. So I thought this was really cute. I bought this quite a while ago. So I am excited to get this one used. I think that the patterns are just absolutely precious. I'm loving them. I love turtles. I love animals in general. But yeah, I saw this and I thought, oh, that's so cute. Here's the check boxes and some fin appointment boxes. So this is what we're going to be using this week. I haven't really been using my planner since the first of the month, really. I mean, I did at the end of last week, but the first few days I had this tucked away somewhere and I just didn't get a chance to get any planning done. So I can see all of my checklists. I was getting a bunch done this weekend and I used this page and I can see through. I will not do that again. That's a real bummer. So I can see all the writing through the back, which is not good. Okay, so let's grab the sticker for Monday and let's grab this guy here. Okay, so let's put turtles up here at the top. Hopefully I can cover up a lot of the show through. That's really a bummer that I can see all that writing. I do like this kit. I like that the days of the week are quite large. So today, Monday is the 9th. It is currently Sunday. And it's almost my bedtime, but I thought, why not go ahead and get some filming done so I can mark those off of my list. Because I did have filming on my to-do list for this weekend. I actually got quite a bit done. I shampooed a lot of the carpets. I still have more to do, but you know, I'm ending the weekend feeling like I really accomplished a lot. So that's for that. And then let's grab the to-do sticker. I like the font on this kit as well. So you guys will have to let me know down in the comments what you all did this weekend. I feel like because it's so warm outside, I feel like I need to be spring cleaning, but in January. It is so warm outside. It was 60 degrees out today, which is nuts, y'all. January is usually the coldest month in Arkansas. And so for it to be this dang warm is just crazy. Okay, let's put down some appointments. I'm trying to think of how I want to do this, because this kit, I just want to make sure I have enough. I think I do have enough stickers for the week of the small ones. Okay, I'm going to use these smaller boxes and I'm just going to handwrite meeting because I'm looking at the script stickers that are provided, and there are no script stickers for like meetings and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm just going to handwrite it, I think. So I have my daily meeting with the bosses at 7:30 in the morning. It's always a fun conversation. A lot of times we just catch up on, you know, the weekend and what we did. Let me see if I have some meeting stickers that I can use. Nope. Oh, here's some. Anyway, it's always a fun time of the day to catch up. A lot of it's just chit chat, but I do enjoy our morning meetings. Sometimes they last hour and a half, 2 hours. Sometimes they're pretty darn long. That's a little crooked there. Anyway, I've got banana bread in the oven right now. I meal prepped. I found a granola bar recipe. I've got those in the refrigerator. Like I said, I've got banana bread. I made some soup earlier, and I had one portion, and then I froze the rest of it in containers so I can eat it later. But I'm really doing good at eating through the pantry, which is a good thing. All right, let's put this down here. It's my TWC sticker. That is from 3 to 5. And let's see if there's anything else I need to put down. I don't think so. I think that's it. I really don't have much going on tomorrow at all, like work-wise. Just have a lot of, I'm still catching up after being on vacation, which is kind of a bummer, but hopefully by the end of this week I can get completely caught up. So what is left on my to-do list? Okay, I need to shampoo the carpets in the hallway, my office, and bedroom, so I'm going to put that down. I'm going to try to get that done tomorrow. I already did Carol Ann's room and the living room, but not the other half of the house. So that needs to get done tomorrow. I'm hoping I can go to the bank. I'm hoping tomorrow I'll know how much the electric bill is, so I can get that done. I need to go to the post office tomorrow and drop off some letters. That needs to be done. Let's see what else. I think, I need to do a wipe down. I'll just put dusting. Now, even though the cleaning ladies are coming, I'm trying to get as much done as I can so that they can do the deep cleaning kind of stuff. Trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, and I need to film cash envelope stuffing. That needs to be done. And then I need to go to the grocery store. I may not get all this done tomorrow, but I can move it over to the next day if I don't get it done. So that's okay. Let's see, what else? I mean, I guess I could go here to my to-do. So I'm going to do that for tomorrow. I put this dusting, bank on my list again, cash envelope stuffing, grocery store, shampoo the cat trees. I need to do the cat trees. That was the other thing. I need to clean those. So that needs to be on here, so we'll move that. No spend check-in. I did that a little bit ago. This, and then I'm doing the plan with me now. So I feel like I got a lot done over the weekend, so I don't have as much to do this week. Let's see, what else is there? I think that's it. I don't really have, it's kind of late at night and I'm a little bit tired, so I don't really I don't have any inspiration for this bottom box right now, but that is everything. So really easy day tomorrow. Not a whole lot going on. I am on call. Oh, that's probably the other thing that I'm missing is my on-call sticker. I'm on call tomorrow, but y'all, our system got an update, and there haven't been any like errors or anything hardly that have been needing to be addressed, because usually when we're on call, like anything like system wise, we're like monitoring our systems to make sure everything is running and there's no errors and all that kind of good stuff. Before the update, it was pretty frequent. I mean, I would always have at least 1 or 2 errors. I'd have to log back into work after I got off and address them. But since our update, we haven't had hardly anything error-wise, which is awesome. So usually on an on-call day, I wouldn't go anywhere because I need to stick pretty close to the computer. But now I feel like I can get some of these things done because the bank is not far. I can run by Walmart and get cat food and dog food, and if anything does come up, I can make it back in time to address it. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Let me know what you guys have planned for this next week. What does your Monday look like? Let me know what you think of this kit by Revere Planning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.